Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can deploy your Node.js project to Azure Web App Service. So first of all, we'll upload our code to GitHub and from there, we'll deploy our project to Azure. So I already uploaded my code to GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, then first of all, create a GitHub account and create a repository and upload your Node.js code. After that, you can continue with this video. Make sure about one thing, in the package.json file, and there should be a script named as start which should start your product.js or index.js, whatever main file you use in your Node.js project. That should be start from the using the start script. Otherwise, your code will don't work. After uploading your project to GitHub, go back to your Azure portal and from here click on create a resource. Then choose web app service and click on create. From here choose your subscription and then choose a resource group. You can continue with the pre-existing resource group or create a new resource group. I'll continue with a pre-existing resource group. Then name your web app. Make sure that the name is unique. And then choose your runtime stack. Basically, this is the framework on which your code is running. Like our is Node.js. I'll continue with the latest one. Then choose your operating system, on which operating system you want to deploy your web app. Then choose the region. So basically, a region is a geographical area where your web app will be deployed. Choose your pricing plan. You can continue with the basic one or with the free one. Now you don't have to make any other changes from here. Simply click on review and create. Click on create. So after your web app is successfully deployed, click and go to the resource. So currently our web app is deployed, but it will show you nothing because we don't add the code in it. So let's add our Node.js project code. For that, go to the deployment section and from here click on deployment center. From here choose a source from where you want to deploy your code. So we already uploaded our code to GitHub. So we'll continue with the GitHub option. So if you first time deploy your code from GitHub, then you need to sign in with your GitHub account from here. After that, from here choose your organization, then the repository where your code is stored, then the branch. Now you don't have to make any other changes. Click on save. Now your code will be deployed from GitHub Actions. To view it, go to logs. As you can see, currently the deployment is in progress, and if you want to view your deployment from GitHub, then click on this. It will redirect you to your GitHub Action page where currently build is completed and it is currently deploying. Our code is successfully deployed to Azure from GitHub Actions. So now go back to our Azure portal and I will refresh the page. As you can see, our deploy is succeed, means our website is now live. Now go to overview and this is the URL of our website. Click on it. Our website is live. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel to watch more video like this. And if you want to see more videos like this on Azure, then let me know in the comment section.